Let's focus on a dishwasher that makes life easier and kitchens look better. The LG LDNTH753, available in stainless steel or black stainless. I'll walk you through 3 feature sets that align with what customers want most: fast and effective cleaning, modern design flexibility, and easy loading with more usable space. First, speed and convenience. In just 1 hour, dishes come out completely clean, towel dry, and ready to use. The AutoVent door helps release remaining moisture, so dishes are ready to put away or use whenever your customer needs them, whether that's right after the cycle or hours later. Next, this dishwasher gives customers options, whether they prefer a traditional look or a modern flush fit. The installation adapts to their kitchen style, even on a standard countertop depth. And with a floor status indicator light, they'll always know when the cycle is running. Especially useful because it's so quiet. Inside, customers will love flexibility. Glide rail racks slide smoothly for easy loading, the second rack adjusts to 2 positions, and the third rack has space for silverware, cups, and more. And with the tub light, it's simple to see and organize everything at a glance. By focusing on these features, you can show customers how the LG LDNTH753 delivers great style, powerful performance, and everyday convenience all in one dishwasher. Now that's good.